Here goes. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. Just came in the mail today.
So essentially I ordered it online. I was stalking the website for a while and it finally was online in stock, and so I bought it, and 24 hours later it showed up on my door.
Can you see that? Ooh, the Louis Vuitton receipts, of course. Here she is. I made a little note for myself too. Oh, anticlimactic. I thought my note was gonna be in here, but it's not in here. So I was watching some unboxings and I hope that all three of my bags come with their own dust bags. Like, I really hope that they do. Here it is. Ooh. No, it's all in one dust bag, but it's all here. Oh, it's already on everything. But the first piece, she's kind of big. She's bigger than I thought, honestly. She smells new. Looks pretty spacious to me. The second piece with the chain. She's pretty spacious. Those are just the Louis Vuitton tags in there. Lastly, this is just the coin purse that attaches to the strap. At least it all smells new. This is cute. She's pink. Love that. That's where the coin purse gets attached. That's what she looks like all put together again. Just an update, I thought this would be where my card is to myself, but I just found it. It was all in here. I can't believe I bought it. Okay, quick update, because when I opened the box, it only came in one dust bag. And I know, like, people were saying that they're return bags if they come in one, because they should come all in like their own dust bags. Well, I just checked the code. It was made the 43rd week of 2020, which is like October 15th, around that time. It is November 1st, so I'm big chillin'. Thank you for watching.